Hello student, today I am going to start the numerical problem of equation of rotational motion. Okay, so let now start the first numerical problem. A flywheel rotating at 420 rpm, here rpm is revolution per minute, slowed down at a constant rate of 2 radian per second square. Okay, what time is required to stop the flywheel? Means we have to find the time in which the flywheel stops rotating. Okay, so here omega naught is equal to 2 pi nu naught. This 420 rpm means 2 pi into 420 upon 60, because we have to convert rpm into rps by dividing 60. So this is the rps, means frequency. So 2 pi into frequency is equal to angular velocity. This 60 7 the 420 means 14 pi, or we can write 14 into 22 by 7, 7 to the 14 means 44 radian per second, right, at a constant rate of 2 radian per second square. So it is angular acceleration 2 radian per second square, and we have to calculate the time in which final angular velocity omega is 0, means speed is slowed down. So we use omega equal to omega naught minus alpha t. Minus sign indicate that its speed decreases, means this alpha is the retardation. Okay, now substitute the value. 0 equal omega naught means 44 minus alpha 2 into t. This 2t transfer to left side, so 2t equal to 44, t equal to 44 by 2 means 22. So t equal to 22 second. So in 22 second the flywheel stops rotating, right? So let us now see the question number 2. A constant torque is acting on a wheel if starting from rest. The wheel makes rotations in t second and rotations in t second. Show that angular acceleration is given by alpha equal to 4 pi n upon t square. Means we have to prove that alpha equal to 4 pi n upon t square. So in this question it is given that wheel starting from rest means omega naught equal 0. Okay, wheel makes n rotation means number of rotation equal n. Okay, so we can use the second equation of motion, theta equal to omega naught t plus 1 upon 2 alpha t square. Okay, theta means 2 pi n, okay, equal to omega naught is 0, means this first term is 0, plus 1 upon 2 alpha into t square. Okay, so 2 pi n equal to 1 upon 2 alpha t square means 4 pi n equal to alpha t square, or we can write alpha equal to 4 pi n upon t square. Hence proved. Okay, alpha equal to 4 pi n upon t square, right? So let us now see the question number 3. The spin dryer of a washing machine revolving at 15 rps. rps means revolution per second. It means it is a frequency. So nu naught is given 15 rps. Okay, slow down to 5 rps, means nu equal to 5 rps while making 50 revolution. So as we know that in completing one revolution the angle made by the particle is 2 pi. So in 50 revolution means theta equal to 2 pi into 50 means 100 pi, okay, radian. Find angular acceleration, means we have to calculate the value of alpha and time taken t. So first we know angular speed initial means omega naught equal to 2 pi nu naught, means 2 pi into 15, तो 30 pi radian per second. Okay, similarly we calculate omega equal to 2 pi nu, means 2 pi into 5 equal to 10 pi radian per second, right? Now we can use the third equation, omega square equal to omega naught square plus twice alpha theta. Okay, now put the value of omega means 10 pi, so 10 pi square means 100 pi square equal to omega naught square means 900 pi square, 30 square means 900. Okay, plus twice alpha into value of theta is 100 pi. Okay, now the transfer this term to left side, to 100 minus 900 means minus 800 pi square is equal to 100 to the 200 pi into alpha. Okay, this pi to pi cancel, 200 4 the 800, so means alpha equal to minus 4 pi radian per second square. Okay, it is the angular acceleration. Minus, so minus angular acceleration increased by, increase means it is the retardation, because speed is decreases. When speed decreases, then retardation will produce. Okay, now use the first equation of motion, omega equal to omega naught plus alpha t. Now put the value of omega means 10 pi equal to value of omega naught 30 pi plus value of alpha is minus 4 pi. Okay, into t. So this 30 transfer to left side, so 10 pi minus 30 pi equal to minus 4 pi t. Here minus 20 pi equal to minus 4 pi t. This pi to pi cancel, so t equal to minus minus cancel, 20 upon 4, 4 5 the 20, t equal to 5 second. Okay, so in 5 second the speed reduces to कितना 10 pi radian per second. Okay, now note the question number 4. A grinding stone of radius 2 meter means r equal to 2 meter. Okay, revolving at 120 rpm. rpm means revolution per minute. So first we have to convert rpm into rps by dividing 60. So this nu naught equal to 120 upon 60 means 2 rps. So now it is a frequency. Okay, accelerate to 660 rpm means final frequency is 660 upon 60 means 11 rps in 9 second, t equal to 9 second. Find the angular acceleration means we have to calculate the value of alpha, and linear acceleration means a equal to. Okay, so first we obtain angular velocity means initial angular velocity omega naught by using the relation 2 pi nu naught. Okay, so 2 pi nu naught value 2, it means 4 pi radian per second. Similarly, final angular speed omega equal to 2 pi nu, 2 pi. Now put the value of nu 11 means 22 pi radian per second. Now we can use the first equation of rotational motion, omega equal to omega naught plus alpha t. Now put the value of omega means 22 pi equal 4 pi plus alpha into time t is 9. Okay, this 4 pi transfer to left side means 22 minus 4 pi 18 pi equal to 9 alpha, or we can write alpha equal to 18 pi upon 9. So 9 to the 18. तो अल्फा इक्वल टू 2 पाई रेडियन पर सेकेंड स्क्वायर, राइट. Now find the value of a means linear acceleration. So as we know that a equal to r alpha. Okay. So a equal to value of r is 2 and alpha is 2 pi. Means a equal to 4 pi. So 4 into 3.14. Means 4 4 is 16. 1 4 1 is 4. 1 5 4 3 is 12. Means 12.56 मीटर पर सेकेंड स्क्वायर. तो लीनियर एक्सीलरेशन इज 12.56 मीटर पर सेकेंड स्क्वायर. नाउ सी द क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. द स्पीड ऑफ ए मोटर इंक्रीजेस फ्रॉम 600 rpm. rpm means revolution per minute. तो फर्स्ट वी कन्वर्ट rpm into rps by dividing 60 because rps is the unit of frequency to 1200 rpm. Okay. In 20 seconds. तो new node is equal to 600 upon 60 means 10 rps. Okay. And new equal to 1200 divided by 60 means 20 rps in 20 seconds. Right. What is angular acceleration means we have to calculate the value of alpha. And number of rotation, suppose number of rotation be n, we have to calculate the value of n. So first we calculate omega naught equal to 2 pi nu naught means 2 pi into 10 equal to 20 pi radian per second. Okay. Similarly we can calculate omega equal to 2 pi nu. So 2 pi value of nu is 20 means कितना हुआ 40 pi radian per second. Now we use the first equation of rotation motion omega equal to omega naught plus alpha t. Now put the value of omega 40 pi equal to value of omega naught is 20 pi plus alpha and value of time t is 20. Now this 20 transfer to left side. तो 40 पाई माइनस 20 पाई इज इक्वल टू 20 अल्फा. तो 20 पाई इज इक्वल टू 20 अल्फा. तो 20 कैंसिल. सो अल्फा इक्वल टू पाई रेडियन पर सेकेंड स्क्वायर. तो एंगुलर एक्सीलरेशन विल बी पाई रेडियन पर सेकेंड स्क्वायर. ओके. नाउ वी यूज द थर्ड इक्वेशन थीटा इक्वल टू omega naught t plus 1 upon 2 alpha t square. Now put the value of omega naught means 20 pi into 20 plus 1 upon 2. Value of alpha is pi into t square means 20 square means 400. Okay. So 200 means 400 pi. 20 into 20 400 pi plus 200 pi means 600 pi. So as we know that number of revolution equal to theta upon 2 pi. Okay. Because in one complete rotation the angle made by particle is 2 pi. So number of revolution या rotation equal to theta upon 2 pi. The value of theta is 600 pi upon 2 pi. This pi to pi cancel and 3. So number of rotation will be 300. Means in 20 second motor complete 300 revolution. Right.